मैं जब लंदन फिल्म स्कूल में पढ़ता होता था, आई यूज्ड टू विजिट हैम्स्टेड हीथ अ लॉट इन लंदन। हैम्स्टेड हीथ लगा लो जैसे बॉम्बे में कोलाबा, प्राइम रियल एस्टेट, ओल्ड मनी पीपल यूज्ड टू लिव देयर। वहां पे विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ के बच्चे रहते थे, शेक्सपियर की पुश्तें रहती है वहां पे, और उन सब के बीच में मैंने देखा रिकी जर्वेस का घर। Those of you who don't know who Ricky Gervais is the creator of the show called The Office. If it's one of your favorite shows, then you will love this story. The Office पहले एक ब्रिटिश शो होता था, उसके 2 सीजन बने थे, उसके बाद वो बंद हो गया था। And then Greg Daniels took that show and adapted it for the American audiences. And we all know what a huge hit that show was. Ricky Gervais, who's the original creator of The Office, had a 10% stake in the American version of it. Ricky Gervais is currently sitting at 170 million net worth, and most of his earnings has come from a show जिसपे उसने कुछ काम ही नहीं किया, घर बैठे बैठे वो पैसा आया। He has made more money on the American Office than he made on anything else he has ever done in his entire life, and that's the power of IP. The future of content is IP, and it's high time that you build yours now if you want to become a millionaire in the future. The more scalable your IP, वो जितना geographies travel करेगी, cultures travel करेगी, the more value it holds. And we are extremely fortunate to be born as writers in this era. मैं ये पहले भी कहता था, we'll see millionaires and even billionaires emerge from the screenwriting profession. This isn't an exaggeration. These writers will create and invest, even own stakes in numerous successful IPs throughout their careers. They'll have the superpower which will help them identify compelling subjects and story worlds with the potential to evolve into successful franchises and multi-season shows that will captivate audiences for decades. Their IPs will generate revenue through ticket sales, merchandise, subscriptions, remake rights, spin-offs. बहुत तरीके हैं यार पैसे कमाने के। This is the information age, the age of new media. Every company in the future will essentially operate as a media company with their own distribution platforms on social media. चाहे वो real estate company हो, चाहे वो कोई product बेच रही हो, चाहे FMCG में हो, सब आगे चल के वेब शो बनाने वाले, सब आगे चल के फिल्म बनाने वाले अपना product बेचने के लिए. Because traditional advertising is becoming less and less effective with time. Audience don't want to be directly sold to now, and companies will soon turn into subtler forms of engagement like branded content, web shows, reality TV, जहाँ पे directly एक प्रोडक्ट नहीं बेचा जाएगा, पहले एंटरटेनमेंट बेचा जाएगा एंड प्रोडक्ट बहुत स्मार्टली प्लेस किया जाएगा। दिस शिफ्ट विल लीड टू अ सर्ज इन डिमांड फॉर स्किल्ड स्क्रीन राइटर्स हु कैन डिलीवर फ्रेश एंड एंगेजिंग कंटेंट। सो द की टू सक्सेस, होन योर skills and ensure that you're ready to seize these opportunities. Write intellectual properties in the comments if you'd like to learn how to create a great IP, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys, bye bye.